What's up everybody, GoToaster9, JJ Shankles here, back with a review today. Today we've got a smartphone pocket gimbal from FeiyuTech, the Vlog Pocket by FeiyuTech. This is a smartphone gimbal, small, folds up, fits in your pocket, they claim. We're gonna test that one out, see if it really fits in a pocket. We're gonna go through the specs, the usage. I've been using it for about a week, what I like, what I don't like about it, and we'll see if it's a smartphone gimbal for you. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. If it is, make sure to check out the Amazon affiliate link down below. It links you to the item. And if you purchase it through that link, there's a small kickback to me at no additional cost to you. And while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more tech reviews, camera reviews, tips, tricks, tutorials, things like that. But let's get into unboxing this thing. So here's the box it comes with. Sleek, kind of looks like an iPhone box type thing. It's very white. Kind of looks like you got Megan Fox hiding behind some flowers on the smartphone picture, but very sleek, shows how it packages up, very small. This item, unlike some other gimbals, comes in black, and then there's also a pink version. This one is only the black version, because the pink version wasn't out when I ordered it. Got simple bags, quick start review, warranty cards, things like that. Got this foam holding it in there so it won't get damaged in shipping. There's the gimbal in the main pocket. Side pockets we got, looks like a microfiber bag it could carry in. It's a charging cable. It charges off micro USB, not yet USB-C, which I really wish it would have. And nowadays, a lot of consumer electronics still use the micro USB. Then you got, this is a tripod foot that can attach to the bottom here, extends your grip, and gives you a little tripod foot to stand the whole thing on. First, we're gonna see how quick and easy it is to do this. First, you unscrew it. Second, you extend, tighten it back down. Then you need to unlock all three axes. There's your first axis, second axis, third axis. That's all three axes unlocked. Now we attach the smartphone. We got the Google Pixel 2. And then you long press the top button. So there's two buttons here. One is a mode. The top one powers it on. And it immediately stabilized it. Swipe that away, take this into phone mode. See, video. Now we're filming a video. Swap it around to front view. Very stable. Very easy to get a smooth footage from this setup. Swap it between modes. So there's your pan. But any rotational movements will be locked in place. Then double tap is what turns into a vertical film. You can vertically do it, double tap, straight back. Super easy, great to use. So I'm just gonna go through some of the great features that I really like about this. I also really like the similarities between this and the AK2000, also by FeiyuTech. I use the AK2000 with my mirrorless camera, but I really like the similarities between the two. If I use this for my smartphone gimbal, the buttons, the controls, setting them between is gonna be very similar. I like how the trigger functions still work the same. That locks it in place for sports movements, and then you lock it and it's gonna be stabilized in that position. Press the button, you can move it, locks in place at that angle again. Just little similarities between the button layouts and the functions work the same. Double press rotates, it just works. And the similarities between them are super great and easy to work between both of them. If you work with a smartphone and a mirrorless or DSLR camera on your full-size gimbal, this is a great companion to the AK2000 or 4000 or 4500, depending on whichever gimbal you have from FeiyuTech. There's a couple key important features you want to look for in a smartphone gimbal like this. One is your price to quality ratio. Price is how much you're paying for it and what you're getting out of it. If you're spending $1,000 on it, you want $1,000 worth of it. This is only $100 and you're getting, I feel like $100 worth of it. The motors work very well, silent functioning. This is right in front of the camera. You can't hear the motors at all in any way, which is amazing. For whether you're using the onboard microphone or an off-board microphone of your phone, you don't want them to pick up the whirring of the motors because they're right next to those microphones. Very sensitive. You want them to pick up your voice clearly without the motion of your extra gimbal. Smoothness is the second feature. You want them to be very smooth and do exactly what you want them to. If you want them locked in place, you don't want it moving. This is very locked, very smooth at all three axes. Another feature with this one is the build quality. It's almost entirely plastic on the outside, which is a benefit for weight because it's gonna be so much lighter. I haven't had any scratches on it. I do think it will scratch more than the metal. I think it's a fair trade-off. Plastic is not a bad choice in this situation. I would rather have a lighter weight pocket gimbal than a heavy metal durable one that won't scratch. I do like the functionality of the FeiyuTech's app on here. It does allow you to connect. It does allow you to use these controls to switch between camera and video mode, and then to start and stop videos and take pictures all with the trigger, which is a great functionality. You really want that to be able to work seamlessly between your camera and the gimbal, being able to connect them all together. It's also nice to be able to hook them all together. In this case, you would need a USB-C to micro USB. You could plug them together and it would charge your phone off of the USB, but the box doesn't come with it. I really like that it throws in this extra tripod. It's simple to put down and adds extra length to it to be able to grip it down here, not all the way up there. It's great that it comes already balanced. With this, there's no manually setting. On a full-size camera, depending on the lens, your weight is gonna be way off. With this, with a smartphone, they're all nearly the same balance. I really wanted to test how easy it is to take it apart and put it in your pocket after you're done. I'm gonna take the tripod attachment off. All right, so lock the top angle, second angle, third angle locked, unscrew, pocket, down like that. Fits in the palm of my hand. I don't know if you can see. It's bulky, whatever, kind of slimmer pants, so bulky and it kind of shows up there. Overall, for the budget, I think it's a great pocket gimbal to get you into using a gimbal on your phone. I don't think it'll stack up comparison-wise against something like the AK2000. This is a pocket-sized gimbal, and I think it shows, but in a great way. So what do you want to know about this gimbal? Let me know in the comments down below if you have any specific tutorials or questions or things you want me to do with it. I'm going to do a comparison between this and the full AK2000 from FeiyuTech. It's a full-size gimbal versus a pocket gimbal. Do some run tests with this one, a bunch of real-life comparisons. I'm going to put those in different videos, and I'll release those later this week, so subscribe down below and you won't miss them. Thank you guys. Hope you have an amazing day. Go Toaster out.